If you're facing the issue of voice memos disappearing on iPhone, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll explain why voice memos disappeared and walk you through proven methods to recover them, step by step. Part 1. Why did my voice memos disappear on my iPhone? Voice memos may disappear after an iOS update due to accidental deletion, system errors, iCloud sync problems, low iPhone storage, or bugs in the Voice Memos app. Understanding these causes can help identify the right solution to recover missing recordings. Part 2. How to fix voice memos disappeared on iPhone. Here are 4 effective ways to get the disappeared voice memos back. 2.1 Restore disappeared voice memos on iPhone from the recently deleted folder. If your voice memos have recently disappeared, they may still be stored in the recently deleted folder. This folder keeps deleted items for 30 days before permanently deleting them. Step 1. Open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the in the top left corner to return to the main list. Step 3. Find and enter recently deleted. Step 4. In the folder, tap Edit in the top right corner. Select the voice memos you want to recover and tap Recover, and the recording will be restored to its original folder. 2.2. Retrieve Lost Voice Memos on iPhone from iTunes Backup. If your voice memos have disappeared and no longer appear in the recently deleted folder, but you previously backed up your iPhone using iTunes, you can quickly recover the deleted voice memos by restoring from that backup. However, please note that this method will overwrite all existing data on your iPhone. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Open iTunes or Finder if you're using macOS Catalina or later. Step 3. Select your iPhone in iTunes by clicking the device icon, or in Finder by selecting it under Locations. Step 4. Click Restore Backup. September 5th. Choose the backup that contains your voice memos based on the backup date. Step 6. Click Restore to begin the process. Wait for the backup to restore to your iPhone. Step 7. After the restore is complete, open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone to check if your missing recordings have returned. 2.3 Recover Disappeared Voice Memos on iPhone from iCloud Backup. If you have enabled iCloud Backup, you can also restore your voice memos from iCloud. However, restoring from iCloud requires you to erase your iPhone first. Step 1. Go to Settings General Reset on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap Erase All Content in Settings and confirm to erase everything on your device. Step 3. After your iPhone restarts, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up again. Step 4. When prompted, select Restore from iCloud Backup and sign in with your Apple ID. Step 5. Choose the most recent backup or the one that contains your lost voice memos. Step 6. Wait for the restoration process to complete. Step 7. Once done, open the Voice Memos app to check if your lost recordings are back. 2.4. Get disappeared voice memos back using Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery. Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery lets users selectively recover deleted voice memos from iTunes and iCloud backups without restoring the entire backup or overwriting existing iPhone data. Step 1. Download and launch Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery. Then select the Recover from iTunes Backup File option on the left. The program will automatically scan your computer's default iTunes backup location. Choose a backup file from the list shown and click the Start Scan button. Step 2. Next, check the box for voice memos and click the Start Scan icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Once the scan is complete, select the specific voice memos you wish to recover. Finally, click the Recover to Computer button to restore the files from the iTunes backup.